Hello friends, today I will show you some decorative pieces. You can see like this. These are decorative resin pieces with small shrimps inside. They have like amber appearance and are often used handmade canes, souvenirs and collection designs. I will show you some.
Gerçek mi? İçindeki mi? Alet gibi bir şey.
Another they made like this like triangle, but I think there is shells in this, as you can see. Another shrimps too for design. It's another shape. And necklace, many kinds. Things like shahmeran here, tiger, heart, cat. It's very cute. And numbers here. And this very interesting thing is the shrimps in the things like here. And thanks for watching me. Goodbye at the next video.